I hope you guys are doing well today and living life goldenly. So as you can tell from the title, I am here with, it's gonna be a few series, it's gonna be a few parts because girl, I done stocked up. Get myself situated on this stool here. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well, and I am back today. It's gonna be mostly probably like a 4-part series. I am here with a Makesy fragrance review. Super excited. I stocked up on their 99-cent sale back in, oh goodness, it's a few months ago, I think back in October. But yes, so y'all, I am so excited, and this is my packing order. All these fragrances. So what I did, all these fragrances, all these, okay, all these. So what I did when I got the package, y'all, I was a bit overwhelmed because I'm like, girl, you done really went in and bought a lot of samples here. So what I did was I pretty much, I don't know, it's weird. What I did was I pretty much separate the fragrances by the name, like what I thought the name was giving. Like if it was earthy, I created one pile. If it was warm and creamy, just going based on the name itself, I created a separate pile. Then I created a pile of fresh. So y'all, I'm gonna have quite a few reviews, so I hope you guys will stay tuned. I created a floral pile. I created a fruity pile, and I have a lot in the fruity pile, and this might have to be broken up into 2 different videos. So alright guys, so I went ahead and labeled my texture, my fragrance waters. Y'all, I need to give me a new stool. Yeah, so anyway, hope you guys are doing well. So let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, and start with the clean category. This is just my personal opinion as to what I would probably consider clean scents. So the first one I have is the Blanc, Citrine, and Matcha Verde. So I'm already feeling, I feel like I got this before in another sample, but I don't know. So I'm feeling like it's gonna give like a nice fresh orange citrus scent with green tea. So let's go ahead and dab that. Just weave it a little bit. And this smells so familiar. And I feel like I got this in a sample. I got this as a sample before. It is definitely giving me rich money. I could definitely, it has a bit of floral. I could definitely see this being like a spring fragrance, but it is fresh. You definitely smell that citrus. The Verde, the Matcha, Verde, and green tea, not too much, but I could definitely just use this like in a living room, like putting a linen spray or whatever form, and just nice living room scent. It's fresh, it's clean. I would definitely say a yes. So that was Blanc, Citrine, and Matcha Verde. Very good. The next scent is Bergamot and Ambergris. Y'all, I tell you all the time, Makesy be having me pull out a thesaurus, a dictionary, because y'all, I don't know what ambergris is. Let me know down below what ambergris. Oof, gosh, y'all, I'm struggling. I need to get another. Oof, I need to get another stool. So Bergamot. And when I think about bergamot, I always think like fresh, like a fresh, earthy, clean scent. Bergamot and ambergris. Y'all, this, I should have made like a provocative category, because this is giving me like a men's cologne, and not no stinky old man cologne. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. But it is giving me it must be the ambergris, because the bergamot, I don't know. It must be the ambergris. But this is very nice. I should have definitely made a provocative category. This would have to go in my provocative. You know what? I'm going to set this in my provocative. Provocative, seductive, sultry category. It's not like fresh in a sense, but it is. I'm making a different category. Provocative. There we go. So the bergamot and ambergris, that is going in the provocative category. That is definitely very nice. I do like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this, separate that, because yeah. So if you're looking for something seductive, that ambergris would definitely be it. The next one is Wash Linens and Clean Musk. And y'all, I'm definitely assuming that this is going to give me that fresh linen scent. Okay, yes, they definitely hit the nail with the wash linens. I feel like this smells like a straight up nice laundry detergent scent. But it's not like that clean linen smell that you get, you know, with most fragrance places. I feel like I always say the scent notes are kind of like more complex with Makesy. But that is definitely a yes. That is very nice. And I definitely smell that you definitely get the wash linen and clean musk. The next one is Rose Water and Hibiscus. This one I am very excited about just because based on the name. I'm feeling like this is going to be light, a little hint of floral in there, very refreshing. So let's go ahead and give it a sniff. Just what I'd expected. Yes, the Rose Water, Hibiscus, yes, 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 and yes. That rose is definitely coming through. This is just a nice, light, dainty, feminine scent. Very calming. I do like that. That is really nice. Okay. The next one is Natural Muddle Mint and Citrine. I'm already thinking it's going to be mint and citrus. So let's go ahead and give this a dab. Y'all, the winter is here and my skin is feeling it. Ugh, my eczema is acting up so bad. I'm about to take the sweater off because, ugh, my goodness. Anyway, y'all, I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh wow, okay, yeah. You definitely get that mint, that's for sure. Citrine. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on that. I wouldn't necessarily put that under fresh. I think the muddled, maybe that's where it's losing me, because it does seem muddled. It seems like a dirt, earthy smell at first, and then it softens out at the end with the mint and the citrus. But that muddle, yeah, it's definitely muddled, and I really don't care for it that much. The next one is Cypress Water and Gardenia Dew. I already feel like this is probably a nice, dang, I already feel like it would be like a really nice spring fragrance. Let's see. Oh, that is really nice, guys. Cypress Water and Gardenia Dew. You know, I'm not really too much of a floral person. You can definitely smell the gardenia, but it's not overpowering. The Cypress Water comes in there and just kind of, it subdues it, and it lets the gardenia just kind of like trickle and flow throughout. But I like that. That is definitely a nice spring and a nice fresh spring scent. So yeah, the next one is Egyptian Linen and Lavender Buds. I'm excited just because of the name. This, like the whole Egyptian linen, I already feel like it's gonna be like a luxury smelling scent. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay, straight out of the bottle, no. But let's go ahead and dab it on the tester. Okay. It's so weird. Okay, at first, I'm smelling a little bit of musk. Okay. Definitely, I tell you guys, you definitely have to use the fragrance splatter. Because smelling straight out of the bottle, I'm like, no, boo-boo, we're gonna have to pass on that one. But this is really nice. I would actually move this over into my provocative sultry category. I wouldn't necessarily say it's fresh. You definitely smell like a musk. The Egyptian linen, like, it's not that basic, clean, fresh linen. It's got some oomph to it, okay? And the lavender buds, you definitely get that. I would definitely move this over to the my provocative and sultry category. But that is very nice. If you're looking for something different, that would definitely be a fragrance you should check out. It was in like the winter. I felt like this scent was in the winter discovery kit. But this one is Jade Fur, like the tree, and Baltic Cypress. I seriously think this was in the winter discovery kit. So let me go ahead and give this a swipe. This is definitely a fresh, you definitely smell the tree. The cypress, like that Baltic Cypress Sea, the water, yeah, Baltic Sea. You definitely get that marine smell there with the fir tree. This is definitely a nice clean scent if you want something earthy but you want a little marine notes in there, that would be a yes. The next one and final one of this Fujigo is the Italian Lemon and Juniper Water. Like the names, I tell you, Makesy, awesome with the names, okay? Italian Lemon and Juniper Water. Let's go ahead and give that a sniff. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. See, you know, I normally don't. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Okay. Yes. That lemon is, it's just doing it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Like, you smell the lemon, the juniper you definitely smell, but the two just combined is creating something just amazing. That is definitely a yes on the fresh note. Like, just spraying this in your home and just be like, I could just, this scent reminds me like during the spring, summer season, you have the windows open and you just have this fragrance just permeating all throughout your home, and it's just so fresh and inviting, and it's clean, and it's just so refreshing. Yes, 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 yes. This is by far, okay, y'all, thank you for tuning in. So that was my what I considered fresh. Stay tuned for the most Thanks for watching. If this was your first time visiting me, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know what type of scent notes that you consider fresh, or what your go-to scents are for, like, just to create the most ultimately freshest smell ever. Okay, I'm doing too much. But anyway, y'all, hit the notification bell, subscribe, okay, so you can stay in the know as to what is going on with Golden Endurance Living. But stay tuned, I will be up with another video. Okay, I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.